Sarah Chen found her boss stealing $3.2 million from clients. He knew she'd discovered the fraud, so he offered her a promotion and a raise to stay quiet. She could have taken it, advanced her career, kept her mouth shut. Instead, she reported him to the regulators. The retaliation was swift. Her reputation was destroyed. No one in the industry would hire her. For 18 months, she struggled to find work while the investigation dragged on. Her friends told her she was crazy, that she'd thrown her career away for nothing. But Sarah knew something they didn't. When the investigation finally concluded, her boss was convicted, the fraud was proven, and a top-tier firm hired her immediately. Not despite what she'd done, but because of it. 3 years later, she became their youngest partner ever. Now she's known throughout the industry as someone who can be trusted with the most sensitive matters. One decision cost her everything in the short term, but it gave her something more valuable in the long term, a reputation built on integrity.